Welcome everyone to Learning with Riff. In this video, we are going to be going through the Tensorflow API and specifically the tf.sysconfig section. The API for the documentation can be found on the link on the screen and the link I will put in the video description. And for everyone's information, I am using TensorFlow 2.10.1. Classes and functions may differ in newer or older versions, but they've been pretty stable for a while now. So right at the beginning here, we are going to begin by importing TensorFlow. Now we are going to look at the first function that they have there, sysconfig.getBuildInfo. This returns a dictionary for TensorFlow's build environment. The build environment are the settings TensorFlow it was using when it was compiled, so it would work on specific hardware. If you've ever built or compiled TensorFlow from source, it will actually take you through a process asking you if you want to build with CUDA, what versions of CUDA. You're going to link your CUDA libraries and your CUDA libraries to it, and similar for ROCm and TensorRT. CUDA is NVIDIA's linear algebra libraries that work on their GPUs. ROCm are similar libraries that work on AMD's GPUs, and TensorRT are NVIDIA's optimization algorithms that allow you to quantize your network down to floating point 16 and accelerate your inferencing when you're deployed. So you can see here, it tells us what version of GCC, which is the standard Linux C compiler that was used. The compute compatibilities, my GPU has a compute compatibility of 8 point something, and that was compute 8.0. We have our CUDA version and our CUDA version, show that we are built with CUDA. We are not built with ROCm, and it is a TensorRT build. This is right from TensorFlow's pip package. So if you install TensorFlow TensorFlow 2.10.1 in Python 3.10, these are the results you will get. Now we're going to look at our get compile flags. So these are the flags that were used during the build. Just for your information, I don't know exactly what they do, but that does show where some of our packages are linked to. And this is what this get include. It's going to show us where our TensorFlow C++ header files are saved. While we are programming in Python, TensorFlow is executing entirely in C or C++. And we can see this is where those header files are located. Sysconfig.getLib returns the directory where TensorFlow's framework libraries are in site packages /TensorFlow. This is actually where any of your packages that you have in Python in your environment will be saved. And finally, we're going to get link flags. It returns any custom flags or operators that you have imported. So if we have built a special build with special flags, that will link here as well. Or if we're using some other sort of backend or additional TensorFlow or C or C++ libraries, we will show those links here. Thank you all for watching. I hope you learned something today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe if you think this was a good video, and I'll see you next time.